Welcome back, guys. Another episode of N.R.T. We'll be pulling this cover off because we'll be switching out the voltage regulator for this rack. Surprisingly, these screws are coming out pretty easy. Sometimes they don't. I was honestly surprised they came out that easy. Okay, there's two. Looks like sheet metal. 10 screws right here. Hold it down. Go ahead and remove those. And after we get these two sometimes you can, well, then you unscrew this cap for the premix, or the oil for the premix. The two-stroke oil, because this is a two-stroke unit, and it requires oil. That's where it goes. So just should be able to pour it on here, and from there, just pull like that. Got that cover off. Got the new voltage regulator right here. Part number RR117, of course, made in China. That's the brand. I've had 50-50 luck with their products. Some are good, some are not. It's $20, so we'll try it out. I believe thought it was right here. Guess it's not. Is that it? It's a wire card. Let's see. That's the voltage regulator on this thing. Thought it's right there. That's where it was on the 500. Unless this thing doesn't have one. Very well possible. I know my luck. We'll put that water cap back on before we get crap in the oil. Guess start chasing the wires, I guess. Sorry about about that, guys. Hopefully you guys are still on. Radio check. Hopefully you guys are still on. Hopefully. Okay. So I see that one's going down to here. That's a stator. Back here. And now here the solenoid is, which we also need to take on. Wires right here, and I just did it again. Come on. Give me a break already. Okay. I just found these two wires that are ripped right here that are red. Yeah, they're ripped right off. So we gotta figure out where they go. Reel them back down the side there. I mean, it looks like the previous owner basically half-assed this thing together. There's that. Is that the voltage regulator? I mean, that kind of seems small. Just pulled that out. No. It's not the voltage regulator, but that shouldn't be loose. It's usually on the front. I ought to replace the steering bushings in this thing. On the back somewhere? I can't believe it. I'm not seeing it. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe it's not on it. According to Google, it should have one. Well, I'm not seeing it. So, but I know on the 500 it's right there. And these are pretty similar machines, even though this is 2-stroke, this is 98, the Magnum's a 99. I'm gonna take you guys over to the 500 and show you what I'm talking about. There's going to be a multi-series video. It's going to be part 1. I'm going to have to make a couple videos probably. But gonna go up to the 500. Go up here, gotta crawl over the 450. 450's fuel injection pain in my rear. Oh, there's the Raptor cart. Don't mind the mess. I'm cleaning up here, but here's old 500. And if I'm correct, No, it's not there either. It's not that box either, so. Well, I seriously need to clean up here. I've been cleaning. This was all covered in crap, and I've cleaned this. I've moved that over there, was over here. But, and I've been organizing shelves and stuff. So, little by little, it's getting clean. But, yeah, so I'm gonna look on Polaris's diagram on their website and see if I'm missing something. Because I'm not seeing the voltage regulator on it. I mean, maybe this is it, but why the heck? Then they gave me the wrong part. Because, I mean, look at that. That's like 3 times the size and the wires don't match. I'm trying to backtrack the wires is what I'm doing. Make the wires match. Okay, we got yellow, got red. What I'm trying to do is find the wires that are the same color. Maybe it's under there. I don't know, but before I go rip the oil tank out of this, well, I gotta make sure, so. Gonna go ahead and get a rebuild kit for the pull starter. For how much rope cost, you can just get a whole rebuild kit, new spring and everything. So the other day when I round up this, it was yesterday when I round up the spring was pointless. Even though the spring may not be bad, I'm probably just gonna, I mean, for 29 bucks you get a new spring, rope, handle, a bunch of other little parts, springs and stuff. So I'm just gonna do that. And I'm gonna do the same to the 500's pull starter because I gotta rebuild that one also. So yeah, so please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. This is N.R.T. working on a 1998 Polaris Xpress 300, doing changing out the voltage regulator, part 1. Catch you on part 2.